So welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Arsenal beat Chelsea yesterday 3-1 for the blockbuster encounter, because we all know say Arsenal needed a response from their lackluster performances wey dem dey give in the past for like 4 games. Our last 4 games just dey do anyhow. We draw 3, lose 1 again. So for that reason, everybody knows say the only acceptable result against the Chelsea na maximum 3 points. Make we for keep our slim hope alive for the title race, because we already get Champions League stuff. So now that one now everybody they fight for again. Now they are our focus. They now when you look at that Chelsea match, from the beginning of the match till like 60 minutes, we were in the ascending order, man-to-man marking. Again, no give them any space. Just no even count like 5 passes before Arsenal go collect ball. Even our Aubameyang said we start for Chelsea. I think count how many times Baba touch ball, commentators like 5 times 9 touch ball, and 2 of those are pass 1, pass 2, first half and second half. So when you check everything, like just small touches, the guy don't even see anything. And thank God for our new boy, Jacob Kiwior, who buy from Spezia, where people don't talk say, when they give this guy a chance. Even myself at the point, I don't write him off, because why would the coach buy you? At the end of the day, they're not going to use you. It is a no-brainer. For him not to use you, I just conclude say the coach they see say you know they do something right. But see where the problem lies. When we had Saliba and Gabriel, so I think that they feel say Kiwior will be a replacement to Gabriel. In fact, Gabriel now they feel say go get injury in the future. We feel say Saliba and Rock of Gibraltar say that guy go day 247. Saliba and I can go get injury. And that Kiwior na left-sided centre back. Saliba na right-sided centre back. So the direct replacement for Saliba na Rob Holding. But because of the way Holding they play, not be say Holding they do direct mistakes, they cause direct errors. It is more about what he is not doing rather than what he did. So that is why many people they cry for Holding, say in positional awareness is flawed. It is 0. So I think I want to say, okay, we can't be using the same system we've been using to play the last 4 games. Let us change something. So when you watch that Chelsea match, you see we brought in 3 new players. Martinelli there for bench. Instead, Trossard now starts. So Trossard compared Gabriel and Bukayo Saka. For the midfield, Partey was rested because he needed that rest. Giorgio coming, Kiwior coming, and fantastically well these guys played. Especially that Kiwior. Why me I they bring him out? To put him on the pedestal of praises, because the guy did very well. He played in an uncomfortable and unfamiliar position and played it well. You know what it is to keep people like Sterling, Aubameyang, Havertz, keep them quiet. And the guy said top pass, Rob Holding small. So for that one, he can't be to our own advantage. He did so many headers. Like we had a great game. At the end of the day, he ended 3-1. When Noni Madueke was left alone, Zinchenko leave and the guy go score in goal. So all in all, even Zinchenko said, they thought say the guy supposed to rest. They accepted to play, but all in all, we'll manage how everything be. So let's proceed with other parts of the news stories. Alright, so away from that, so Arteta self can't come aside from media set because they talk say Kiwior has the potential to be great. In fact, say the guy deserve the chance we then give up to come play, because if they say we no try Kiwior, if we no say the guy still good. And what is sweet me say, I like as they try am for a big match, a derby, you get a high intensity match. When the lineup came out, a lot of people were skeptical. They say why this guy go play there after all. Get to the job like so they play 2 left leg again. So, but me and Babasa talk on the talk say now so life view. If Arteta was trying an experiment, we want to just tweak the squad, give them a breath of fresh air. Because they talk say if this guy end up playing very well, people going to sing Arteta praises. But if this guy can go cause a goal, maybe now throw inside they can't go score us, maybe they bully and can't go score, everybody will call for Arteta head. But at the end of the day, Arteta plan work again, because that breath of fresh air will come inside, can't help everything, it can't go in our favor. So at the end of the day, I'm happy. And as well we keep your play now, I'm not going to be surprised against Newcastle where they just put him in, make him play ahead of Rob Holding, because come like I say clubs can't target Rob Holding because they know he's shaky, he's not that 100% confidence. They can't target him the fully wing. But people like Partey, people like Martinelli, they don't rest now, they don't play too much. Then against Newcastle, you can bring them in if you want, because we need quality on the bench. Imagine how they set up yesterday. If you're going to look bench, you're going to see Martinelli, will say it's arguably our best goal scorer. You're going to see Martinelli for bench. I'm not really happy. But you see Thomas Partey will say he's our almighty. they for bench, you get second half you bring out. That's what squad depth is all about. Squad depth is not about quantity, we're talking about quality. That's what we're talking about. So we'll just watch as everything will end. Still on the media setting, so Arteta called the talk, so the players have the belief that they can do it. Get say now 4 games to go, we are still top. You get, because they say a bird in hand is worth more than 100 in the bush. We don't get points on the scoreboard, so those points are worth more than the one we know they for Man City scoreboard. You get the one where you get as outstanding. What is the guarantee that you win it? Though people expect Man City to win it, but expectations is not reality. You get, we don't get the points on the board in reality. So we'll just watch as it go end. Baba the talk say 4 games to go, we will fight till the end. That's the spirit. I wish say they use this kind of spirit against lesser opposition like West Ham, Southampton. For the lead, like so when I remember all this, they vex me, but I don't really try to remember again, make I keep my sanity. So moving forward, let's just see how everything will end. All eyes are on Man City. I think they're playing West Ham today, so we'll see what will solve. That's supposed to be a tough game, but we'll just watch. So for the media setting, the they ask Arteta about Gabriel, say what do you think now? Because the guy 10 minutes, 15 minutes to go, the guy doesn't hold the leg. But back on say it is a very, very big concern. So we don't really know how they do it because, but they go analyze them sure, because some people don't already talk say the guy go miss some games, because. But for me, I go talk saying I just tired legs and cramps because he has been playing consistently. That's why me I go talk say QB on a flop, because normal Gabriel is supposed to be rest. Not be all games you go put them, you get. All those kind of QB are supposed to come in against all those kind of Southampton, will be less out position on paper. You're supposed to put QB or rest Gabriel guys. So even if now 20 minutes to go, you put QB, but they don't put them. That's why I just conclude. So they don't just buy you who you go bench and then they why they can't buy you in the first place, you get. So for that reason you are a flop. I mean, so but Baba can't change your mind. Can't say okay, make him try the guy today in an unfamiliar position, and he thrived. He played very well, so we'll just watch. Maybe against Newcastle, the Roman guys will play. Me, I'm optimistic that he will play. I just believe in a tiredness. All those physiotherapists will work on that in lap and in leg, work on everything. We will expect the guy to play. But the guy are warrior. I know they get injury anyhow. Our Fabregas come aside for media duty. We Baba analyze Arsenal and Chelsea. You say he don't play for Arsenal, and he said don't play for Chelsea. So they ask and say, looking at both teams now, what do you think you can say? But when you look at both teams, you will see now only one team, 9 get good coach. Like Arsenal are well coached, they are well drilled. As in, what you want to talk, they are doing everything very, very well. The coach take position them, but Chelsea just get a very, very large squad, but they don't get good coach. So we go assemble them. So let's just watch how everything ends. So in Fabregas' opinion, Arsenal get better coach, will they teach them and will take them to the promised land. Away from that, so Fabrizio Romano come and let us know say there are 8 clubs with the reason Reece Nelson, so that they interested in signing him. You know, so Reece Nelson at the end of the season is going to be a free agent. So many clubs are reason the matter. So we never know whether Arsenal will give him a new contract, make him stay. So all eyes are on Arsenal, all eyes are on Reece Nelson, because he's eligible to sign pre-contracts with any club of his choice at the moment. So, but he never do like that because he still wants to stay at Arsenal. You know what it be to come through the Arsenal ranks, play for them. At the end of the day, you follow them go Champions League, because this Champions League, what we done the fight for the last 6 to 7 years, and we can't get them now. Next season, a lot of people go on wear this Arsenal jersey to play for that Champions League, especially people like Saka, all those guys as well. So just the watch. I just be very, very happy to say at the end of the day, we got what we were looking for. So let's just proceed. Alright, so reports from the comments and the talk say Arsenal fans ignore the instruction of Arteta when they tell them talk. So they made them treat Aubameyang like a hero that he is, because the guy did a lot of good things for us when it came to Arsenal. He scored a lot of goals. In fact, under Arteta, now still Aubameyang being highest goal scorer. You get so, but the way the guy take fallouts with the fans and everything, joining Chelsea, our rival. What do you expect? You're going to get booed now. Even though Arteta say make them no boo him, and they still boo him. Now even away from that, even Mikhail Mudryk said fans no spare ammo. If you watch that match, you know say they carry laser, they put for your eye. Anytime when you're near our 18, laser they do for your eye like this. They make sure say they won't blind them. You get, and they can't even they sing song for them. Say you could have joined Arsenal, you get, but you follow money run away. You get, they build one song for her. The guy said with the regret, I don't go lie, because look at when Chelsea are on the table. Just they like maybe 12 or 13, you get. Even people like Brentford, they did higher than Chelsea. Can you imagine? When you take the table, you will cry, but just look at the kind of players, the caliber of players. And would you believe that this is a team that won the Champions League not too long ago? Look at how they are languishing, just to show you the high level of competitiveness in this EPL. EPL no be your mates, you get. You know dey easy for here, you get those money for uptown for this EPL. Yeah, die, you get. So that's why we just dey pity for them, you get. So money will just say had I known, you get. So I know I go just deal with Arsenal. Now we will compete for the league title. Maybe if you join us, we will even win because no one know with the rest of our players. Well, it is what it is. You can't be crying over spilled milk. You made your choice. So as you lay your bed, so shall you lie on it. Even Emmanuel Petit will be Arsenal legend. Say come as I call the talk. Say Arteta made a big mistake by signing somebody like Fabio Vieira. Say when the first sign that guy, the guy they enter Arsenal, he just scam the guy. Say this guy is too lightweight. He's too leg. Say the guy no go fit thrive under Arteta. But now when you check the history of Fabio Vieira, you see say for Porto Wende for Portuguese league, this guy scored 7 goals and made about 14 to 16 assists in the season where they won the league. For that reason, Arteta can scamp and say, okay, this is a guy that is very, very creative. He has vision. He's a seer because he see die. So okay, let's bring him in. Arteta never made a mistake. The statistics don't lie. But as they can't bring him in, you can't show say the league and that league no be the same. So that's why the guy can't struggle. Can't do for the adaptation phase, acclimatization phase, blending. You get those phases. Now the guy still there now. Some people they talk to him will give him a chance again next season, but people like our legend, you get Petit, is going to talk say this guy is a failure. Like Arteta not supposed to bring him in the first place. Even though Smith Rowe is a better option and stronger than him. You get that's his own opinion anyway. So I believe say Arteta will still give the guy one more chance. And another thing where people they also talk, they say don't forget that Fabio Vieira missed the Arsenal preseason. You get so you don't really understand the system. It took him time to get it because he was injured when he came in. So all those things are part of the things where Arteta will look say let's give this guy one more chance. And sometimes they happen like that. Player will come in, no go better. Later in the future, you can't better turn to beast. They happen like that. So who knows if Martinelli will score 15 goals in any season? You don't know before in life. Martinelli is having his best season, arguably his best season since he entered Arsenal. Yeah, so that's all life be. So we'll just watch as everything will be. Alright, away from that, so I'm going to do one analysis about how many points Arsenal don't get and how many points Arsenal's legendary managers get at some time in their history when they won the league. So when you check now, we get 78 points presently. So when you check George Graham, for those who don't know him, he's one of the legendary Arsenal coaches of all time. So the guy won the league with 76 points in 1989. He gets. Even Arsene Wenger self win league with 78 points in 1998. Now, you know so many people they like to throw up that Leicester name. Leicester win the league. Leicester won the league in about 2015, 2016 season or 2016, 2017 season with 81 points. Presently, as me and you do like this now, Arsenal have 78 points with 4 games to go. Those 4 games to go are equal to 12 points. So there is no way we will not amass more than what Leicester had. But the difference is we still cannot win the league with 81 points. The times have changed, era have changed. That is what I always explain to Arsenal fans. Stop throwing Leicester. If Leicester did for the league this time around, they don't feel win the league now. Because then they now, oh yeah, made a winner now. They fight relegation. Times have changed. People like Pep Guardiola, people like Jurgen Klopp, they have raised the bar so high. You cannot win the league with 8. You should win the league with 90 points. It's a miracle this time around. You know they're very, very easy. So that is why I'm not liking people they judge us based on Leicester winner. So I don't understand how it is now. So at the end of the day, we'll surpass waiting that Leicester City do, and we'll know if we see win the league with their 81 points. Because we are 78. We will win even if now Wolves will win on the last day. We don't enter 81. So and there's no way the remaining 4 games, no go at least win 2, or win 3, or win 4 if possible. So anything can happen. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Get your mouth.